What's the story, Matt?
Pretty nice looking rifle you got.
Suckers!
Awesome. Yeah.
That would have been too scary.
That would have been awesome, I thought. Like, yeah, look, I got your bow.
Beautiful trip so far.
Then the ogre has to be worth more than, I was like, are you kidding me? Arguing over Dungeon Dragon, points.
Nice video.
They're completely
Great
arguing,
video.
and they argued all the way to Sam's Club, pushing the carts in. No way! Wizards are worth way more than $2,000. That's definitely going in the video.
How much are wizards worth again? Oh.
I rolled a 7 on Affinity. I didn't think I would even ever think.
That was scary.
But I see the people that were behind us, the ones at the very top.
Yeah, the ones that are towing the broke down four-wheeler, I think that's them too.
Big ball.
What do you think of your first caribou? Happened pretty fast, huh?
Yep.
Well, got your first caribou. It's a cow. Shoot it. There's the herd of caribou running away. There's the one Kayla got. Kayla, look at me. How you feeling, Happy Hunter?
I want to just lay down and sleep.
2 caribou. That last one is a big one. I think you got the biggest one of the bunch. If we'd have stayed where we were, I could have shot it with the pistol. Right there. Nice job. I think you hit it right in the head. Nice job, Kayla.
No, right. Now you gotta eat his heart.
Woo!
Look, that's my eardrum.
Uh-oh, you forgot your earplugs?
The Special Forces sniper unit's looking for some extra help.
Come take a look.
I want to get a picture of you with your boo.
Nice little high shoulder right there.
Thicker, it's thicker. Alright, get over here. Get over here and pick the head up.
Let me roll my four-wheeler out of the way.
Alright, get down with him. Get down.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
That's the face of one happy dad. Ready for a ride, buddy?
Ready.
I got a cushion just for you.
Sweet.
All right.
Good job. Good job. He got one. He got 2. And now I'm riding on the front of his four-wheeler. Oh. It's pretty bouncy.
That's an Alaska girl up there. Shoots her caribou and drives her own caribou out.